Satya Statistics Concepts welcomes you.
Hi, myself Satish Kumar. In previous tutorial, Introduction to Statistics, I explained briefly about concepts of data, variable, statistics, analysis or analytics, data analysis, and measurement levels of data with real-world examples. If you have not yet watched the tutorial, kindly watch using the link provided below or in description or by clicking the link appears in end screen of this tutorial. In this basic statistics part 1 tutorial, I provide concepts of basic statistics with real world examples, its applications or usages in various sectors, case study about traffic prediction by maps, recap of this tutorial basic statistics part 1, viewer engagement quiz at the end as an activity for viewers, and preview of upcoming tutorial basic statistics part 2. Let us recap about statistics. As explained in previous tutorial, statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing data and interpreting obtained results to make decisions. It's a powerful subject used in almost every field, from science and business to government and sports. Now, let us see usage of statistics in real world or in various sectors. First is business and economic sector. In market research, businesses use statistics to understand customer preferences, needs and behaviors through surveys and data analysis. For example, e-commerce platforms recommending products using statistical algorithms. Sales forecasting use statistics to predict future sales and revenue based on historical data, market trends, and other relevant factors. Inventory management use statistics to analyze historical sales data and trends to optimize inventory levels and ensure products are available when needed. Quality control use statistics in monitoring and improving production processes to ensure products and services meet quality standards. Financial analysis used to analyze market trends, investment risks, and potential returns to inform financial decisions. Strategic decision making used to provide insights that help businesses optimize operations, enhance products or services, and make informed strategic choices. A/B testing used to compare the effectiveness of different website designs, ad campaigns, and content variations to optimize conversion rates. Econometrics apply statistical methods on economic data to analyze and predict economic trends. Second is healthcare and medicine sector. Clinical trials use statistics in designing experiments, analyzing data, and interpreting results to evaluate the safety and efficacy of new treatments and drugs. Epidemiology use statistics in tracking disease patterns, identifying risk factors, and evaluating the effectiveness of public health interventions like vaccination programs. Genetic and genomics use statistics in analyzing massive data sets to understand the genetic basis of diseases and advance personalized medicine. Public health policy use statistics to inform policy making regarding resource allocation, health legislation, and preventative care based on statistical data. Diagnostic testing uses statistics to determine the accuracy and reliability of diagnostic tests. Third is government and public policy sector. Census collect and analyze population data for resource distribution, defining legislative districts and other vital matters. During policy formulation, statistical data is used to understand and analyze societal issues, allocate resource efficiently, and measure the impact of legislative actions. In economics, government agencies collect and analyze economic data to inform policy decisions. Social research and surveys employ statistical techniques to understand trends and issues like crime rates, educational progress, or social inequality. Fourth is scientific research and experiment sector. Data analysis use statistical methods to collect, organize, analyze data, and interpret results. Further, to test hypotheses, identify relationship between variables, and draw conclusions. Experimental design use statistics in determining appropriate sample sizes, designing data collection methods, and applying statistical tests for a valid and reliable findings. Hypothesis testing use statistical tests to determine if observed patterns in data are statistically significant or due to chance. Predictive modeling builds statistical models to predict future outcomes or understand how different variables affect each other. Fifth is sports sector. Player performance analysis evaluate individual and team performance using various statistics like averages, percentages, strike rates, win probabilities, etc. Game strategy use statistics in analyzing opponent patterns and player tendencies to devise effective game plans and make in-game tactical adjustments. Prevent injury use statistics in identifying injury patterns and risk factors to implement preventive measures and personalized recovery plans for athletes. Scouting and recruitment use statistics in assessing player potential and aligning talent with team needs based on performance metrics and statistical analysis. Sixth and finally is usage of statistics in everyday life. During weather forecasting, statistical models are used to analyze weather data and predict future weather conditions. Personal finance analyze spending habits, budgeting and planning for future using financial data and trends. Making informed decisions use statistics in evaluating information, comparing options and choosing wisely based on data, whether it is selecting a car, making a purchase or choosing a restaurant. Time management and productivity use statistics in tracking time usage, identifying inefficiencies and optimizing schedules based on data to improve productivity. Social media algorithms utilize statistical information about preferences and behavior to curate content and target advertisements. Now, let us see a case study about traffic prediction. Maps utilize statistics by first collecting real-time anonymous speed and location data from millions of mobile devices to understand current traffic conditions. This data is then combined with historical traffic patterns, known patterns of average speeds at specific times and days using machine learning algorithms. By analyzing these historical trends and current speeds, map can predict future congestion and provide dynamic routing suggestions, even warning of traffic that is about to start. Finally, let's recap this tutorial basic statistics part 1. Till now we discussed about basic statistics and its usage in real world. This included application of statistics in various sectors like business and economics, healthcare and medicine, government and public policy, scientific research and experiments, sports and everyday life with case study of traffic prediction. Now it's time to experience viewer engagement quiz. Quiz 1. A company analyzing customer satisfaction survey falls under option A healthcare, option B market research, option C sports. The right answer is option B market research. Quiz 2. Government using population census to plan housing and healthcare facilities is an example of option A policy formulation, option B economics, option C business statistics. The right answer is option A policy formulation. Quiz 3. Social media and online video sharing platform like YouTube recommending shows based on your watch history uses option A government census, option B educational statistics, option C business and marketing statistics. The right answer is option C business and marketing statistics. Kindly watch our upcoming tutorial basic statistics part 2 which covers role of statisticians to improve quality of data with design of experiments and survey sampling.
For statistical analysis consultancy services and training, contact my email ID and mobile number. If you feel this tutorial useful, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe and support to get more tutorials. Also watch other uploaded and upcoming statistics concepts tutorials in this channel. Let's meet in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.